Want to lose that stubborn belly fat? What if I told you there's a simple natural drink that can help you do just that? No complicated recipes or intense workouts, just one surprising ingredient. Introducing lemon and ginger water. This combo is a game changer. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost metabolism and burn fat. Plus, fat digestion. On the other hand, ginger is a natural appetite suppressant and has thermogenic properties, which means it heats up your body and helps you burn more calories. Here's how you make it. Simply boil a cup of water, add a few slices of fresh ginger, and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it cools slightly, squeeze in half a lemon. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and you'll start noticing the difference. Not only does this drink help reduce belly fat, but it also boosts digestion and keeps bloating at bay. So, why not give it a try? Start your day with lemon and ginger water and watch that belly fat melt away naturally.